Welcome back, y'all. This is part 2 of my marbling tutorials. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my Crystal Rose Red Makartt Jelly Polish, and this is a hot pink color and it's super pretty. I've used this on a few sets so far and I really can't wait to use it more. And after that cures, I go in with my Aimeili blooming polish. I know that it's pronounced that way because I googled it. But yeah, so I'm gonna cover the whole entire nail, even though I won't necessarily be using the whole nail to do the marbling, but I just do that so that the polish is leveled on the nail. And without curing that blooming polish, I'm going in with a flat brush and a white gel polish, and this is 357 by Beetles. You'll see me moving my brush around quite a bit. I just continue to swirl it around until I see the look that I'm looking for, and I really try to go for the type of swirling you would see in a marble stone. I went ahead and cured that, and next I'm going in with 065 by Aimeili, and this is a jelly polish as well, but it's a super transparent type of pink, so I'm just using that to kind of tone down some of the white from the white polish that I used previously. I know, because this color is so transparent, it kind of seems like it's not necessary, but it actually is going to help in creating a little bit more depth to this look. Once that's cured, I'm going in with my white Saviland gel paint and my Beetles liner brush just to create a few lines. You want to make sure that they're thin, because if they are thick, you're going to have a harder time fanning them out in the way that you want them to be. With that small flat brush and my rubbing alcohol, I'm going to start to drag those lines down a bit. You can always go back and thicken them up a little bit if necessary. Adding another layer of that 065 Aimeili gel polish. And after curing, I go in with my top coat. This one again is by iMethod. And here's the final look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed these tutorials. I hope they've been useful to you. Please let me know if you want to see other things like this in the future. And if you decide to recreate, be sure to tag me at Dreezy Dripped. Thanks for watching.